In this video, we will see automatic color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the clip that I wanna adjust color correction. Then go to Windows and add Lumetric colors. Let's go to basic correction and here are auto color. It will automatically set the color according to your image. If you wanna adjust the shadow and highlight, you can adjust by this slider. If you want to reset, you can click on the reset button. It will automatically reset your color. Let's check a few more things in creative. In a creative, you can choose the preset. There are lots of presets like a sunset, sunrise, stolen, and also supernatural. There are tons of effects of color. Let me choose the supernatural. Then you can adjust the balance, shadow and highlights as well. Let me show you one more thing in Vignette. You can add a shadow to corner of the clip by increasing the amount of this value in point. So this is the best way to adjust automatic color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.